Hello, welcome. And this is our last session for the Customize series, and we'll discuss Customize generator. And there are two types, means mostly two things we use for it. That is the config map generator and the secret generator. So what is a generator and why it exists? So normally we write a full YAML files of config maps, but problem with that the error prone means it is hard to maintain and hard to update, hard to track changes. So what the generator comes into the picture. Generator in the customize automatically create Kubernetes object from the files, literals, values, and environment files. Like we all means we do create manually, but it will generate it automatically. So generator dynamically create Kubernetes resources like config map and secret during the build time. If you consider is a real time example, if we are baking a cake, so we need sugar, flour, butter, and with this specific quantity, and we use recipe file ingredient into the mixture and press start. The mixture generate the cake. In customize, if you can consider the customize, so ingredient or files means ingredients are literals, whatever it may be in the file, or but it is the ingredient, and mixture is a generator and cake is the config map or the secret. So there are two types of generator, a config map generator and the secret generator. So how do generator work internally? So in customization.yaml file, we'll add this property and give the means where to pick up the things, and then it would be generate the config map or a secret. So let's see the demo so that you can easily understand. Or so we create a directory that is the generator demo and cd generator demo, then base directory. So base directory is ready, go to the base directory. So I'll install so that I can let you know graphically. Control C, Control L, and cd so tree. So you will see a base directory is here. So in this, and this is the generator demo. So we'll create a text file. So vi app.text app.properties. So this might be any other file also with any other extension. This it doesn't matter, you can write text also. So in text we can write some properties like this app mode, app version, and app color. So I'll just escape wqf, and now we'll create a customization.yaml file, and in customization.yaml file we give the property config map generator, and in config map generator we can name anything, and we'll give this file as an extension, means as an requirement here wq. And now if I just customize current directory, ls, so in base directory we need this customization.file and app.properties. So cp app.properties in /bash and customization.yaml file, I'll move it rm app.properties. So ls, there is no file, and tree, so you will see that app.properties and customization.yaml. So now I'll just customize current directory. Why it is showing ls, this things is not in current directory, so we have to write by base. So you'll see this output, and when we apply this output you will see config map generated. Similarly you can generate a secret also. And one more important thing, when we create a deployment, so the config map is not automatically updated. So actually when we create config map, this additional character is there, so that the deployment restart happen and deployment updated with the new config map or new secrets. So similar way that secret is also generated. So let's create another demo for that, so that I can show you. It is very interesting also. So I need to discuss these things with you. So we'll create a mkdir rollout demo, and here we go to the rollout demo, and then mkdir base. And in this base directory we'll create properties. From these properties we'll add this app color is equal to blue and app mode is production. So WQ, we create a deployment file, and here simple deployment file WQ. So we create a customization.yml file. So we'll give this config map generator. Okay. So kustomize. So you will see this config map, a random character is there. So is created, that means if I apply, then config map is created with this characters. See the config map is created and this character is there, and this config map is used here and here. So what we'll do, so if you see here, so original YAML file, so you will see config map, and here the name is app config, and if you see here config map, and these things are there, and this is added. So the change in things was the rollout. So let's apply it, a customize directory and apply. So these things are created, but thing is that when we create a new config, so that config is not automatically updated in the deployment. So we need to give a rollout restart. So I means these things will happen, but config map generator changes this, which cause the rollouts updation, and means which cause rollout restart. So what we'll do, we'll run one more time. So what I will do, means app properties, I'll edit the config file. So vi app properties, so here instead of blue I'll write it to green. We'll update the config. Now I'll just, so if kget pods, kget deployment, so you'll see these things, and k describe deployment, so old replicas, new replicas, and this earlier you will see that the config volume is little different, because if you see, this is the config 292 GT. Here config is, so kget pods, so you will see these two pods are running. So what I will do, I'll do a rollout history. So k rollout history, deployment, and app deployment. So you will see two revisions. So it shows that rollout restart happened. So first we'll inspect the revision 1 and then inspect the revision 2. So I'll just, so here you will see these things, and in 2 you will change this BBD, and here this is different. So this way one good thing happen. If you we change manually, then we need to change, and we need to remember that we have to start the rollout update. Okay, so thank you so much for your love and support. Similarly, secret is also generated, and there is nothing changed. So instead of config generator, you need to write secret generator, config map generator. So you can use a file literals for this thing to generate. So thank you so much for your love and support, and our this customized series is completed, and yes, get in touch with us so we can improve on.